Hey guys, my name is Sergio, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to find hundreds of keywords that you can rank in weeks by using Reddit or Quora in combination with your keyword research tool. So let's say that you use Ahrefs or SEMrush for keyword research. The process is pretty much the same for both of these tools. Generally, if Reddit or Quora ranks well for keywords related to your product, then most of the time it means these keywords have low competition and it won't be hard for you to rank for them. So just simply enter Quora or Reddit URL into the Site Explorer section, hit search and navigate to organic keywords. We can see that Quora ranks for over 17 million of pages. Here we will need to apply some filters. Contains, partial match, and then enter your seed keyword. So let's say your SaaS product is productivity app. Hit apply and then show results. What do we get? We got a list of all the keywords that Quora or Reddit ranks for related to your niche. We can go even a step further and set a filter on keyword difficulty up to 30 and position on the first page. Hit apply, then show results. And we can see that we got 83 keywords related to our main one. This can help us find low-hanging fruits that we can rank for pretty easy. Creating content around those keywords properly can help you rank in weeks, if not days. Good luck with ranking.